this opportunity just to give you a brief overview of adaptive responsive web design. I'd first like to show you an example of a website which does not incorporate adaptive responsive technology, one which is a fixed layout and does not adapt to changes in screen size. As you can see, this is the New York Times website. It employs a traditional multi-column site design, and while this layout is suitable for viewing on desktop-sized screens, it has not been optimized for viewing on smaller screen devices. When I start to zoom out to replicate what this site would look like on a tablet-sized device, you can see content begins to become cramped and text becomes difficult to read. As I zoom out even further to simulate the viewing experience on a smartphone-sized screen, this site's design flaws become even more apparent. Text becomes nearly impossible to read and navigation becomes extremely difficult. At this point, the user is forced to zoom and scroll continuously, making content presentation and site navigation a laborious process. The end result is a negative user experience. Implementing adaptive responsive design techniques and standards-compliant HTML5 best practices, websites we develop deliver content in a customized layout based upon the device accessing the page. Now this means that you can create one website that will not only work on any device, but will also deliver a customized user experience for each and every site visitor. So now let's take a look at a website which does employ adaptive responsive technology. Here again we have a traditional multi-column website layout with a horizontal navigation. This time, however, when the viewport is adjusted to simulate smaller screen devices, the content scales and remains legible, and the horizontal navigation switches to a vertical navigation, one which is better suited for mobile devices. Again, as I resize this, notice how the 3-column layout transitions into a 2-column layout as the viewport is scaled down. Content is not lost, it's simply reflowed to a more appropriate 2-column layout. As it's scaled down even further, the site transitions into a single-column layout, with the content again retained and reflowed for optimal viewing on smartphone-sized devices. Now there's more to adaptive responsive design than simply changing the number of columns. For example, we're able to target device orientation, adapt sizes of various page elements such as links for touchscreen devices, and adapt site functionality to accommodate various device capabilities. But we hope that this overview has proven helpful and we welcome any inquiries you may have.